Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we will see how you can attend an online live class as a learner using WizIQ mobile application. So the very first step is you will go to the respective Apple Store and Play Store and download WizIQ app. Once you have downloaded and installed the application, you can see the application icon on your home page. To get started with the app, you will have to launch it and you will land on the login page of mobile application. So we'll log into the application using the learner credentials. Once you log into the app, the landing page for you as a learner will be the list of courses wherein you are already enrolled. And if you observe on the bottom of your application screen, the second option from the left is the live classes. Under the live classes tab, you can see the list of live and upcoming classes as well as your past classes. In order to launch a classroom, you will have to click on the title of the session and finally click on launch button. The moment you click on launch class, it will ask you to permit the camera and the microphone so that whenever the trainer is giving you the audio video controls, you are in a position to accept it. Then you will see that it will start loading your classroom. So this is the landing page for you once you have logged into the live classroom. Now here you see that there are individual widgets for different activities within the classroom. For example, if I click on the workspace, then you will be able to see whatever the teacher or instructor is writing on the whiteboard. Now, in case the teacher is using a presentation and he is switching to the presentation mode, then the corresponding mode will become visible to the online learner. And whenever the teacher is highlighting specific areas of the presentation, the same will be visible to you. Similarly, in case the teacher is playing a video file, then you as a learner can watch that video file within the mobile application. In case you are a software programming student and your teacher is delivering some sort of software training programs, then you can also view the integrated code editor within the classroom. On the top right hand side, you can see there is a layout icon, and if you click on the icon, you will be taken back to the widget screen. The second option here is the live chat, using which you can communicate with the trainer, and you can also see on the top right corner of the chat box as well as on the workspace there is a circular orange notification. So whenever there is something new happening on a particular widget, you as a learner will be notified by this notification. So if you want to send a text message, you can click on the chat and write something here. Similarly, you can see there is a private messaging feature as well, wherein you have the privilege of sending private messages to the trainer. However, this private messaging can happen only between one learner and the trainer. It cannot happen between multiple learners. Once you are done with your chat, again you can click on the top right layout button and you will be taken back to the initial screen. The third icon which you can see here is the video of the presenter. So in case you want to see presenter's video in a full screen mode, this is the layout which you will have to choose. In case the trainer is sharing his screen, then you can also see an additional widget which says screen sharing, and if you click on the screen sharing icon, then you will be able to see everything whatever the trainer is showing using his desktop screen. Once the trainer has stopped doing the screen share, then you will be taken back to the initial screen. Now if you want to communicate using the raise hand, then on the top right you can see there is a raise hand icon. You can click on the raise hand and pose your question to the trainer. Once you click on the raise hand, you will get a notification which says waiting for acknowledgement, and as soon as the trainer has acknowledged your request, you will see a visual message which will say your request has been acknowledged. Once the lecture is over, then on the top right you can see there is an exit button. You can click on that exit button and confirm it once, and you will be taken out of the live classroom. Similarly, if you have more lectures to join, then you can go to the corresponding sessions and launch them. In case you want to see the past lectures, you can click on their title and you will find an option of viewing them. If you click on view recording, then it will start playing up the old lecture. Once you are done with all your lectures, you can go to your profile icon and finally click on logout. And then it will take you out of the mobile application. So thank you so much for watching this short video tutorial. I hope that this video tutorial will enable you to use the mobile application for live online lectures in WizIQ.